I still have the 10 shit I have to check. So let's see, open 2. First time. 1 code found. Okay. Rate DTC. Solar a circuit P0046. Alright, that's it. Today we're replacing the GateWay Actuator with a brand new one. You will need a special tool for this to take this one out. It's like a T20, and you need a 12 mil, a 7 mil, 10 mil extensions. As long as this, it's really long. Yeah, a special tool to take out this, which is the O2 sensor. Alright, y'all. I finally took out, well, I know that you have to take out the sensor and all, but I finally took out 4 bolts. Let's see what we got. Oh, wait. This one I need to take out. I think it's like you push it up while you, there you go. Push it outwards, I think. It's my first time doing this. So this is just an experiment. There we go. Put this on the side. I removed it by loosening the bolt first from this arm. And also I had to use a 10 mil and this fucking thing to remove it. It's huge as fuck. So I can hold this shit down. I have to hold it from, oh shit, from, you see it's bended already because I fucking don't care about this shit anymore. But so now it should look bare. Nothing through this hole. This is the, I think this is loose locking. I don't know which is which, but I know it's like a small little turn to boost. Oh yeah, it's my blowout valve right here. Our turbo right here. The GateWay Actuator goes here. O2 sensor goes here. Alright, boys, you see the GateWay Actuator, brand new one. Look at the difference. Rusty, bad, ugly ass, trash ass. Wow, look at that. Brand new actuator. You can see the model number on this brand new one. It's an aftermarket, not an OEM. Cause don't give a shit. Cause I want my car to live. No. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show you something. I didn't have no washer. This is the washer I have. I just grab any one from like a bunch of bolts in here and there. So I just grab the random washer. Look how play there is. Like, this is without the little piece. I'm talking about this piece. It moves. You can see some space. You see it? Yeah, that little space right here at the top. That's not good. So with the washer, it would look like this. No play at all. Wow, look at that. And it's hard to move this bit. So this is gonna be great for not rattling at all. At all. Alright, make sure you put the pin back. Make sure this is tight with a 10 mil. I don't know what's this thing called, but I use the end of this to tighten. So now I'm putting the bolts, 4 bolts back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using a T20, I think. But I'm using a screwdriver, and also you make sure this thing is not in yet. Alright, since we bolted this down with 4 bolts, make sure this clip is tight, make sure this is tight. Now look at the rattle. No rattle at all. Wow. What was that? What the hell that? Oh. All right, boys. I put this thingamajig onto the turbo, back to the turbo. As you can see, I put the sensor back. 4 bolts connected, 10 mil. 2 12 mil. One is a long head bolt. One is just a head, like top of it. So that's about 7 bolts I put back, and put this little thing back in its place. All right, I put the holder for the coolant to hold it down. I put back the heat shield for this piece. Also using a 12 mil, and a 12 mil right here. There you go. And we're gonna be putting back the O2 sensor. Also, this also comes into play. You need a special socket for this. You see this little hole? Amazon, $9. There you go. All right, I put the O2 sensor with the 30 foot-pounds special socket extension so I can have room. Now it's time to put this piece back. I do have a whatchamacallit, aftermarket intake. So as you can see, I wish I could make a video on that, but it's alright. I don't need to. It was pretty easy though. Not that hard. I mean, it took like less than 2 hours if you think about it. Oh, I think I did. Oh, that's fine. No matter. This thing sucks. Doesn't move. As long as it doesn't move. We're done. Okay, finally we put this piece back. 10 mil, 10 mil. This is an aftermarket, so it has to be 7 mil. This is a 5.5 mil. Always a 5.5 apparently. I can't use a regular jazz screwdriver because it's stripped out, so I can't really. That's why I got an aftermarket. Also another reason because I wanted it. All right, I'm gonna start this bad boy. I'm scared. Oh, we can't start it without the battery, of course. Okay, hope I don't get electrocuted. Oh, that's scary. Oh. We won't even be going that far, so. No way! Let's go. It's gone. All right, just to make sure we'll drive to CVS. Fuck you, seatbelt. Actually, yeah, I was wearing a seatbelt. That's annoying. I hope I didn't break it at all. So, all right. Actually, I'll just do a turn here. Ah, shit, pussy. I think that's my O2 sensor. Nope, everything started to come off. Nope. Yeah, okay, I think that's it, y'all. Alright, y'all. Fucking hell. Basically, it was like a success, but apparently, you need to recalibrate this GateWay Actuator. No, GateWay Actuator, what the frick it's called. That one I replaced, basically, and the little bolt actually changes everything. Or that washer. So yeah, you need something to do that, or a special tool. And honestly, I don't have that special tool, so maybe one day I'll come back to this another time. Goodbye.